yes. There's a new
It's updated. It's pretty good time. I did update last night.
There's Collins.
What? Yeah.
You updated it. You should know that. You're working on
No, tonight it has like the
Oh, yes, Not nearly finished on the weavers. Might change them me.
I'd run away.
Nothing I could have done.
I've got it. I've got it.
That's a bit how mine was, and I just sort of stood there watching my dog go around the backside of the tunnel going, I didn't anticipate that. Oh, sorry Deb, now you got wobbly cam.
Oh, he's running well, isn't he?
He is doing super. Come on Deb. Run, 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 run. Good boy.
Look at that. He looks so serious.
Yay. Come on. Get your game back on. Get the game. Always telling him off.
This way, this way, this way.
Tick, tick, tick. Get him, buddy.
Jeez, what are they laughing about out there?
Oh, they're having a conversation about something.
Is that your friend?
It looks like a staffy and a pug put into one.
Him? You're close. It's a Boston Terrier and a pug.
I want to get a pug.
Oh, jeez. Beanie. Beanie's like, I want to get to... Bean, you can't go to Crackles.
I want to get a pug and call it a pig.
What do you want to call it?
You're a minx. Why don't you, you know your run home minx?